Assalamu alaikum. Dear children, I am Sidra Bilal from SLS Montessori and School 20C Settler Town branch. Dear students, welcome to the second video of sentence building. Let us recall what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Rules of writing a sentence. Number 1. A sentence must start with a capital letter. Number 2. A sentence must have a full stop at the end. Number 3. There should be one finger gap between two words. Number 4. A sentence should make sense. Students, we have studied structure of a sentence in detail in the previous video. A sentence has the following parts: noun, helping verb, verb, and word ending. Dear students, you can use a variety of nouns in sentence building. Let us recall what are the nouns. A noun is a word used to name person, animal, place, thing. Examples of persons are Amina, mother, children, students, Ali and Abdullah, Qaid-e-Azam. Examples of places are park, school, Lahore, England, Ayub Park. Examples of animals are dog, horse, rabbit, monkey, kitten. Examples of things are bag, chair, house, scissors. Dear children, you can use pronouns instead of nouns in your sentences. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Examples: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Dear children, a sentence must have a verb in it. Can you tell me what is a verb? Verb is an action word. Examples: run, eat, drink, play, watch, cook, sing, dance, enjoy, smile. Dear children, we have studied in detail how to stretch our sentences. Let us have a quick recap. You can stretch your sentence by using the 5 question words. Who, what, where, when, and why are the 5 question words. You can further beautify your sentences by using adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Students, before we start our work today, make sure you have the following things: notebook, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and a scale. Dear children, open your notebooks and prepare your page. Draw a margin line on the right side of your notebook. Now write day, date, and classwork. Prepare the topic line by writing sentence building. Now write words, sentences, and draw a line between them. The first word is restaurant. Dear students, before we start making a sentence, we must know the meaning of the word given. Restaurant is a place that prepares and serves food and drinks to people. Now you can make a sentence of this word by answering one or more of the following questions. When did you go to the restaurant? Who went to the restaurant? What did you eat at the restaurant? Where is the restaurant located? Why did you go to the restaurant? Example of sentence is: I went to a Chinese restaurant with my family last Sunday. As you can see that in this sentence we have chosen when did you go to the restaurant and who went to the restaurant. Like this, dear children, you can construct sentences on your own. Another sentence of the word restaurant is: the restaurant in my colony serves delicious pasta. The second word for sentence building is festival. Write it down in your notebooks. What is a festival? A festival is a gathering of people to celebrate something. Festivals may be religious or events like music, dancing, poetry, and movies. You can make a sentence of the word festival by answering the following questions. What is the name of the festival you celebrated? When did you celebrate it? What preparations were made? example of sentence of word festival is: my mother cooks delicious meals on the festival of Eid al-Fitr. Another sentence of the word festival is: Umar and Zainab enjoyed the music festival held in Islamabad. The third word for sentence building is comfortable. Children, write it in your notebooks. Comfortable means at ease, free from worries or troubles. Comfortable is an adjective which can be used to describe a number of nouns. For examples, comfortable shoes, comfortable dress, comfortable sofa, comfortable bed, comfortable pillow. Example of sentence of the word comfortable is: my cat likes to sleep on the comfortable sofa in our living room. Another sentence of the word comfortable is: Ahmed wore comfortable shoes and warm clothes on his trip to Murray. Dear students, the fourth word for sentence building is interesting. Write it in your notebooks. Interesting means something exciting, having attraction. Children, there are a number of things which can be interesting. For example, interesting story, interesting movie, interesting game, interesting news. Example of sentence of the word interesting is: my science teacher performed an interesting experiment yesterday. Another sentence of the word interesting is: Zuhaib is reading an interesting storybook about dinosaurs. The fifth word for sentence building is watching. Dear children, please write it in your notebooks. Watching means to look at something. It is a verb ending with ing. Dear children, do you remember that the verbs ending with ing require helping verbs? Let us recap the helping verbs. Is, am, are, was and were are the helping verbs. By using these helping verbs and the 5 question words who, what, where, when and why, you can make a sentence of the word watching. For example, the children are watching their favorite cartoons on the new LED. Another example of a sentence of the word watching is: the audience was watching the final cricket match in the stadium last Sunday. Dear students, always remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you are now able to make sentences independently. Don't forget to practice sentence building at home.